In this video, we're going to talk about stopping action and creating drama in your portraits. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer in New York, and this was an image I shot during a live presentation at Adorama. The Broncolor people, Broncolor is a flash lighting company, had brought in some of their really great equipment for stopping action, and we wanted to show it. Now, sure, you can splash some water, or you could have somebody jumping in the air, but a single person stopped in the air, that's not so dramatic, right? So what I did to create this shot was we hung black fabric, duvetine it's called, across the back. I took two lights with hard reflectors and shot them forward to really give them this rim light, this drama, and even flare my lens. And the reason why they have any light on the front of them is because the angle of the lights is bouncing back off the floor, so they're kind of filling itself in. There's no reflector for fill. It's literally just two lights from the back blasting forward, lighting them really dramatically, and then kicking back at them and giving them this fill in the front. I found that the lens flare really helped, and it took a little bit to get it right. I had to move into position. I had to figure out where I wanted to be. And one tip here, when you're shooting things like this, they're doing martial arts, in order to get a good dramatic shot like this, what you want to do is, I know what you're about to say, shoot a bunch of pictures, put on the motor drive. No, have them run through the sequence of what they're going to do a few times without even looking through the camera. Look at it, find that moment that you think will be the great shot, then have them do it and just shoot once or twice trying to catch that shot. If you focus like that, you will find great compositions, great images, and you'll catch that moment. Shooting athletes is one of the most fun things, athletes, dancers, because they just move in such amazing ways, and because they're professionals, they can repeat it, which makes life a lot easier. If this video was helpful to you, please smash like and follow the channel, subscribe, ring the bell, and all that goodness. Down in the description, you will find a link to the gear that I used here if you want to check it out. You'll also find a link to my Patreon if you'd like to support the channel, and a link to my Discord if you just want to chat about photography. In any case, I'll talk to you soon.